The Emmerson Mnangagwa administration has dismissed allegations circulating on social media that government security agents were responsible for the killing of Geza-Saruwaka, a member of the Blessed Geza Revolution, describing the claims as baseless and reckless. We don't kill citizens. Mnangagwa administration responds to remarks on Saruwaka death. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Government spokesperson Mangwana on Sunday strongly denied assertions that the state had a hand in Saruwaka's death, saying Zimbabwe authorities had no involvement in the fatal shooting, which occurred in South Africa. Saruwaka, a vocal critic of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration, was shot dead by an unknown gunman in South Africa, barely a day after the death of outspoken Liberation War veteran and activist Blessed Geza. The killing has sparked outrage online, with opposition figures accusing the Mnangagwa regime of eliminating Saruwaka. Responding to the allegations, Mangwana said, "We categorically reject the unfounded allegations being pushed around the internet regarding the tragic death of a Zimbabwean national in South Africa. We had absolutely no role in this incident," Mangwana said. He added that the government sympathies were in the bereaved family and expressed confidence in South African law enforcement authorities to handle the matter. Mangwana further suggested that the Zimbabwean government engages in targeted killings, arguing that such claims were inconsistent with the country's official policies and legal framework. Saruwaka's death has intensified political tensions, with calls from various quarters of a transparent investigation by South African authorities to establish the circumstances surrounding the shooting and bring perpetrators to justice. "We don't kill citizens as a matter of policy. We have even banned the death penalty. Even then, we had it. We stopped executing more than 20 years ago. Now to accuse us of extraterritorial killings is ludicrous," he said. Saruwaka's death has intensified political tensions, with calls from various quarters of a transparent investigation by South African authorities to establish circumstances surrounding the shootings and bring the perpetrators to justice. Zomba developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Pinangome section medu zafungura elimori kulipa mzuri pechitiko ichi. Pinangome section medu, sound subscribe or like, share on down the bell icon.